Okay, boys and girls, for this assignment, I'm going to show you how you can figure out using your part whole mat with the linking cubes to figure out the whole. Because right now, this week, we're talking about a little part plus another part equals the whole. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is look for this. This is a braining camp. You guys have all this application on your Northside portal. Click on that and look for the linking cubes. This is the cubes, and we've been using them before. So I have a problem up here, and I'm going to read it for you. James has a tower of 8 blocks. He added 4 more blocks. How many blocks is in his tower? So the first thing you need to think about is, what do we know? What do we want to know? What do they want to find out? So the first thing I want you to do is we're going to draw a part whole map. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try my best to make a part whole map. So I'm going to make a rectangle as straight as I can. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just like this. Now this part is going to be the whole. So I'm going to write the word whole. W-H-O-L-E. Then I'm going to cut this one in half. And this box is going to be where one of the parts goes. Part. And here's another part. And you can see the part plus the part equals the whole. You see that? Okay, so now for the cubes. Now it's fun. Now I can choose any color of cubes I would like to experiment with. So I think I'm going to try purple. I love purple. So I'm going to put a purple block here because he has a tower of 8 blocks. So I'm going to, I know there's a way you can turn these. Hold on. Let's try this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8. See, I just fixed my 8 blocks. He added 4 more. So the other part, you're going to add 4 more. So I'm going to click maybe this color. That's kind of neat. I'm going to put it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have my blocks. So now I'm going to put them together on the whole, right? Because I have one of the parts, which was the number 8. I'm going to put the number 8 right here so I won't forget. And look, there it is right there. I'm going to check it off. He added 4 more. So now I'm just going to put 4. I'll just do it in blue. 4 goes here because that's the only other part. I'm going to check that information off. And now the whole. So what I have to do now is I'm going to grab these 4, just like we practiced with that family, and add them to the whole because 8 plus 4 equals the whole. So now we can count on from 8. We know this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we can pick up our pen. I can choose any color I want to write. Maybe I want to write it in red. So I can say 12 is the whole. That's the whole. Okay, so we have 8 plus 4 equals 12. So I'm going to write some facts here. Okay, the answer is 12. So I can make an addition sentence. 8 plus my 4 equals the whole. That's what we didn't know. We were trying to figure out how tall is this tower going to be. I'm going to circle the whole. I like circling the whole because that's the larger number. How many blocks are in his tower? 12 blocks are in his tower. And that's all you have to do. So when your teacher gives you a problem, a part whole problem, and you already know one of the parts, and you know another part, well, the whole is what you're trying to find out. This is a way you can figure it out. Okay, we're going to be practicing more part whole with our cubes.